So guys, let's make a new project. Tab on bottom left corner, select the folder where you have your file. Suppose this one, select the green tick. Now insert the text. Give the text layer same length as the video clip. Move to the start. Now look for tracking. To attach something with the object, we need to select the second option, then select the tracking area or object. When you are done with the selection, press on Start Tracking. This may take some time. So we are done with our tracking. Let's see what we have. If somehow you have any problem at the middle of the clip, just go to the location, go to the tracking option again and select Retracking. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.